Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to create a neon glow effect in Adobe Illustrator. First I am going to set a text, make it big enough for us to work with. Change the text. Now change the text color to white. Select the text and go to the effect panel. Select Gaussian blur. Change the size of the blur settings to 0.5. Go to select OK. Then go to edit option, select copy, and again select paste in place. Then again go to the appearance panel, the settings, select Gaussian blur option, then change the pixel radius to 5. Then select OK. Again paste, copy, and paste in place. Then again select the Gaussian blur from the appearance panel. Now give it a 15 and OK, paste in place. Again repeat the process a few times, copy and paste in place. Again give it a double. Now you can see it, the glow is taking shape. Again give a copy, paste in place, select the Gaussian blur again, maybe my previous option didn't work, but let's check it out. Yes, it did work, but for some reason that didn't show. It's not a problem, but it's always good to be careful before working with something. Now give it a value of 60. Select OK. Here our works are done. All the layers. Go to effect panel, select the document. Our settings are okay from the beginning. Select the object and expand the appearance. We need to select all of the objects and create a group. Now we can expand our text. we can change the colors using different filter options or overlays. On our transparency option, I'm going to select our background, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, bring it to the top, change it to the gradient, play with the gradient panel, swatches, any color, just play as you like. I'm going to change it to 45 degrees angle. Go to transparency option, soft light or overlay. Select our text, make it big. You can see this is our neon gradient text. You can do it with any kind of text you want. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and wait for our next videos.